Makikita niyo lang mag-vibe code, not dancing.
May
Alright, we've
may
already
video ako ni Aaron
started.
nagsasayaw. Gusto niyo?
Si Errol, hindi talaga gumagalaw.
Okay, cut out ko na lang yun. Anyway, so let's start with the video editing with Zarna. Well, DJ? Well, anyway, so let's start this presentation. So, ayun na nga yung ating cover. So, let's start. So, ito lang, gusto ko lang maging simple siya. So, hey, high-level peeps. So, I want to make this simple. Don't worry, then sa slides, you don't have to screenshot or anything. I'm going to share this with you at the end of the presentation along with the recording. So, as you can see, last minute. Huh? So, yeah, I'm gonna just show you the psychology visual aids and the videos. Captioning medyo papasadahan ko lang, and maybe some demos that I could also show, and how to make your videos sound boring. Audio and listicles, ganyan. So, teleprompter. So, just before this, I want to give you a short context kung paano ko natutunan lahat ng to. So, I actually came from a program ni Real Talk Darbs, RTD. So, he is a viralpreneur. Si Darby Kim Estradilia. Sino dito nakapanood na ng content that converts ni RTD? Or familiar with RTD? Ayan, si Kuya Richard. So, if you know him, diba, he has been parang when he already built his yung virality and having that audience size, tsaka siya nagbenta, which is yung ano niya na house creatives. Yun yung binebenta niyang 45-day challenge for content creators, business owners, and yeah. So doon, medyo mas focused kasi yon for like a Filipino audience, I think. So doon ko lang din natutunan yung mga hacks na to. And along the way, I also discovered which ones are effective. Yan. So, itong mga nasabi ko na the psychology, the visual aid. So, pasadahan ko lang ng saglit. Visual aid, this is kung ano yung nilalagay mo sa video mo so that your audience would, na nakikita ng audience, na visualize niya sa mind niya na, okay, this is what it looks like. So, the captions, CapCut Pro perks, if gusto nyo mag-pro para, syempre, if you don't have many hours to edit and hindi niyo kayang i-dedicate yung time ninyong 5 hours to doing editing, then maybe CapCut Pro could also help. So, how to not make it sound boring is, marami naman sa TikTok if you would, kung gusto mong mag-search. So, I will also send the link na lang for that. Audio, the listicles, and teleprompter, so you don't have to memorize, and Vingang. So, last minute anyway. So, before that, wait, so we have here, diba meron tayong two kinds of, wait, sorry, masyado mabilis ha. Nalito ba kayo? Anyway, so we have two types of contents which you are already familiar of, the short form videos and the long form. So, if short form videos, these are usually yung mga 15 seconds to 30 seconds na videos that usually come with a trendy song. Ganyan, yung mga ano, naghahawak mo ang beat. And, but of course, in your contents, you have to be careful in choosing the song na hindi dapat siya random. It should always be related to your message. So, kunwari, kapag yung song is something like heartbreaking, like that, na kay Taylor Swift, and then your message or overlay text dun is, hindi ako tinakbuhan ako ni client, parang ganon. So, parang your, tag na dito, yung song na yon, it relates to whatever your message is sa text overlay. So, masyado bang technical pag yung sinabi kong text overlay? Basta yung text sa harap ng screen.
Okay lang
Anyway.
yun. Okay lang yung terminologies. Kaya mo naman sana magbe-video edit eh. Di ganun talaga.
Yan. Sa, ano yung tanong ni Kuya, what would be the best way na kahit anong kanta di makapiright ni FBR YouTube? Okay, mamaya na natin yan iyan. Hindi guwak. Anyway, simple hack is go to CapCut, use templates there, and just change the clips. So, sige, i-ano ko na din yung question ni Kuya Prince John. So, ang gusto kasi ng platforms is you use their own songs. So, kunwari, nag-edit ka sa CapCut ng my video na merong song doon. So, all you have to, yung ginagawa ko kasi, when I posted on Facebook is that I find that song over again. So, search ko yung name ng song na yon. And then, tsaka ko siya ilalagay. That's why, mas maganda na iisang song lang yung gagamitin ninyo. Pero if it's multiple songs na parang ni-remix ninyo, I don't think that is very much detectable. Pero, depende pa rin. Case-to-case basis. So, mas maganda, when you want to post to a platform, use that platform's music and songs. Lalo kapag trendy para hindi ma-copyright. Ganon. And, for TikTok kasi, parang CapCut and TikTok only has one owner. So, you could directly just, lagay mo yung video dun sa CapCut. That's what I think is effective. Or, consult na lang din natin next. Alright. May hack din daw dyan si Mami Shay. Yes. I-share niya yan mamaya. Alright. So, yan. For short form videos, ito yung mga 1-minute videos. These are just the filler posts. Na kunwari, you cannot film a long form video of you teaching valuable information to your audience, then gawa ka na lang ng ganito. Kasi the important thing for us to do content is dapat consistent ka. Daily meron kang reels. Pero some days you don't feel like it. Alam mo yun, yung hindi mo talaga gustong mag-film. Or you just don't want to, alam mo yun, something came up sa family, an emergency. Now you get to have these short form videos as the backup para aside from magkaroon ng diverse tsaka variety sa content mo, pwede mo din siyang gawing filler post. So sa variety, pwedeng text, tapos reel, tapos photo, tapos 15-second short form video. Parang ganon. Yung gets, diba? Anyway, so this is recommended for 20 to 30-second videos or less. And your primary goal is to get attention. So by the short form vids, usually ito yung mga nag-viral, diba? But most of the time, kahit viral sila, wala siyang masyadong value. So it's always an art to give as much value as you can with a limited time frame na 20 to 30 seconds. So that's something na inaaral ko din. Next one is for long form videos. So ito na yung magtuturo ka na. Meron ka ng value that you have to give to your audience. Ito yung kailangan natin. Ito din yung turo ni Quiz RJ na we have to do valuable content. So ito yung mga hindi masyadong nagiging viral, but they are the ones that are very important kasi kailangan siya ng tao. So, dito nagle-learn yung tao, dito mo sila na-nurture. So, short form vids, that is to get attention. Long form videos, that is for you to nurture and let them know na ito yung value that I could give you. Ganon. So, it's like a slow burn na parang kinukook mo yung isang audience like that. So, you have got to do more editing efforts dito, and you have got to make the viewer understand what you are saying. So, simple hack lang dito is go to Pixels and get your B-roll ID videos from there. So, ito yung turo ni RTD from before was that sa B-rolls, if your audience are Filipinos, you have to make sure. So, B-roll videos, ito yung mga, kunwari dun sa talking head video mo, meron kang pinapakita ng mga visual aid. Alright? So, something like this. Dito sa may sunflower na to. So, while I was discussing a content about a bee, ganyan, naglalagay ako ng visual aid, ganyan, or B-roll, ganyan. So, ito yung mga examples of B-rolls, like, yung clips, it might be from a movie, ganyan, na I think is fit for that context ng sinasabi ko, is yun yung nilalagay kong B-roll. So, if your audience are Filipinos, then dapat nakita nila Pinoy din yung nasa B-roll mo. Pero if your audience, especially sa atin as freelancers who are targeting international audience, then we would have to use, eto na, yan, we could use Pexels for this. Since international yung audience natin, dapat yung B-roll nyo din is international. Yes. So what is a B-roll? All right. So this is basically it. Wait lang. Ask muna natin to. Oops. So, all right. I think I'm gonna show you of so nga ba yung akong example? Ito. Ay, expose na naman ako. Oops, ba't ganun? Ay, ayaw ba? Wala siyang audio. Ayan. So, those are like B-rolls. Aside from my talking head, meron ako mga pinapakitang clips that, yeah, short second videos you put together. Pwede din. Pero, for me, a B-roll is a visual aid. Kunwari, yung sinasabi ko dito, wala ba siyang audio? I don't know why it does not have an audio though. Alright. So, sabi ko dito, as you could see, follow the captions. Every scar, nagiging armor. Every tear, lahat ng luha niya, nagiging fuel niya. So, through that, you show a story na parang na-visualize nila na, okay, this is what's happening while you are saying it. So, it's a visual aid. Mas pinapaintindi mo sa viewer, what are you saying? Parang ganon. So, that is what a B-roll is. Alright? So, that is actually yun yung first part, the psychology. Yung kailangan mong ipaintindi sa viewer na, kasi, di ba ang boring din sometimes if you watch a video that's just a full talking head. Ikaw lang yung nagsasalita dire-diretso. Mababa yung retention for that. And people won't learn much if there is no retention. But if you help them visualize kung ano yung sinasabi mo, then they would get to understand your message. Kasi ang importante sa long-form videos is for them to understand, hey, I have a valuable message for you. And this, parang kino-communicate mo siya. So this is the art of sa editing. Yun yung pang-enhance talaga sa isang video. Those B-rolls. Yan. Sorry, hindi ko masyadong naanto. Anyway, so aside from Pexels, so ayan nga, nasabi ko kanina, is there are different sources where we could do B-rolls. So sa mga A-roll, or the talking heads, yung dire-diretso ka nagsasalita, it's the main video. Okay, wait lang. Let me show you a CapCut. Sandali. Ay, hindi pala naka-full screen tong aking share screen. Wait. Stop sharing. Wala ba akong own edit ko? Wala yan. Sandali, si Impostora na lang. Impostora. Wait. Share the screen. Continue. Start. Saan na siya? Alright. So, I'm using my phone right now. I'm going to CapCut. So, yeah.
Yan, mag-a-avail na rin ako niyan. Annual plan.
So, here is the B-rolls. Wait.
Daming bayarin, no?
Mali.
Eh, ganun
Baka
talaga.
na-expose ako, guys.
Kailangan mag-invest.
So, here are the B-rolls. So, let's say this one. Ito ba? Meron ba akong mga
Bas-
B-rolls? Ito nga. Ito may B-rolls ako dito. So, let me just show you. This is the, yung sinaselect ko right now, this is the A-roll. So, this is the talking head. Ito yung main video. And the one below here, ito is the B-roll. So, just gonna show you a short clip. Sana marinig nyo din. All right. Wait.
We can hear you now, Ria.
Okay na? All right.
Okay na.
So, narinig niyo ba yun? Yung kanina sa video. So, what I showed you earlier was the A-roll and the B-roll. So, when you're already editing, yun yung two elements that you have to be aware of. So, nakita ninyo, kunwari, isa akong viewer. I don't know Melanie Perkins. Sino ba siya? So, ngayon, I made a visual aid or helpful visual na nilagay ko doon na, oh, this is Melanie Perkins. Ito yung mukha niya, ito yung company niya. So that they would understand, they would have context na this is the woman I'm talking about. Ganon. Gets ba? Ayan.
Yes, gets.
Alright. Let's go back sa aking magulong ano. Yeah. Alright. And then, so, for B-rolls, ayan. You can get your B-roll videos from Pexels, Google Veo 3, TikTok, and Gemini. So, pwede kayo mag-generate
so-
or maghanap dun.
Question.
Alright.
Question, Ria.
Yeah.
So, yung mga B-rolls namin tsaka A-rolls, parang hindi namin gagawin na, parang papakita namin yung ginagawa namin na, yung mga automation, ganun, hindi ba ganun?
Yeah, so after na to, I'm going to give you the meron din akong sasabihin medyo after na to.
Okay, sige.
Yeah. All right. So let's continue. All right. So Pexels, yan. So ito yung mga B-rolls. So sa atin kasi as when you have to talk to business owners, you have to talk first with their common language. So sometimes they're still not that familiar with automation. So parang kung minsan they don't know what's going on inside your screen. That's why you have to make them understand through educational videos yung business concept, how it works. Because it's not their specialty. That's what, or parang depende pa rin sa targeting mo. If they're just a business owner who is not yet using high level, or if they're already high level users, depende sa targeting. Anyway, so later na yan. So yan, sa Pexels, you can get your B-rolls from there. Ayan, text overlays and visual examples. So I'm making this so that it could be for everyone. Na, di ba, we're all dealing with clients and business owners. We have to make educational videos that they will know kung gaano ka-valuable. So, yan, you can just go to Pexels, search what you need na B-roll. Like, example is a frustrated American business owner. So, kapag sinearch mo yon, research natin yon on Pexels. So, let's go to Pexels. And then videos. And frustrated American women. Tama ba? Hindi ko alam kung tama pa yung aking. Ayan. So, dito yung part na kapag gumagawa ka ng video, kunwari, you're targeting a pain point. Ganyan. Now, you just have to show them an image of someone who is like super busy, super pagod, super stressed, ganyan. So that they would visualize na, oh my gosh, this is what I'm feeling right now. Parang ganon. Ganyan. So, it's all, these B-rolls, these are the ones that would really, wait lang, mali kasi yung, tingnan natin kung lalabas ng maigi. Ayan, kunwari mga ganyan. So, if you're dealing with an international audience, you have to find, dapat maging specific ka. Ano ba yung target mo? Kunwari, Australian, that's your target. Or, you have to make sure na, so, ito muna yung context. I have read a book on contagious why things catch on. Tama ba? So, anyway, by Jonah Berger yata yan. So, on that, I listened to it through an audiobook. And sabi dun is that people connect through a video through relatability. So, if sa isang B-roll mo, you're showing a frustrated woman na either kamukha nila or so parang kalahi nila, mas nakaka-relate sila doon. So, di ba nga sabi ko kanina, if you're targeting a Filipino audience, then your B-rolls should be showing Filipinos. Why? Because Filipinos resonate with that Filipino business owner, ganyan. Pero if you're targeting like international, kunwari ganyan, then you would have to show these videos because nakikita nila yung self nila doon. They want to relate. They resonate with what you're showing in your video. Ganon siya. So, mga ganyan, when you're targeting a pain point, ganon. Yung, kunwari, are you always frustrated with having to deal with this and that and this and that? Ganon. Anyway, let's go back to the frustrations. Alright. Yeah. So, eto naman, I don't usually use Google Veil 3, but I like the way that the prompting kasi dito. So, first one is you have to establish your script. So, start with your message. Ask ChatGPT to create a short script for your reel. Ganyan. So, sa short form videos, you can either do a 20 to 30 second na templated sa CapCut. So, let's do, sorry, hindi talaga ako prepared for this. So, for the templates, saan nga ba yung short form na nasa?
Question.
Yeah, go.
Pag ganun ba, yung mga parang 30 seconds yan, pwede ka ba magbasa ng script mo sa cellphone mo?
Yeah, that's what I'm about to ano lang din here.
Okay. Thank you.
So, eto yung sabi ko.
Wait kasi si Errol. Ikaw kasi Errol, wala kang patience.
Ay, wala.
Uy, puyo.
Siyempre,
Anyway.
innocent tayo, kaya nga ako nagtatanong.
Alright lang yan. Di ba? Hindi naman to.
Bardagulan eh.
Anyway.
ba to?
Kasi nauna naman kasi yung hawak mo beat. So, yeah. Anyway, so alam ko na may mga tao dito na hirap mag-memorize ng script, ganyan. So, meron tayong tinatawag na teleprompter, baby. Wow. So, you could use this application or use TikTok kapag babae ka, ha? Kasi may filter ka na, may script ka pa. Yan. So, kapag lalaki ka naman, baka magka-makeup ka sa TikTok, uy. So, just gonna show you a short one. Let's have Impostora again for this one. Alright, so right here, you could go to App Store, search mo lang teleprompter. And after that, this is the one that I would recommend. Itong blue na to. Pero since, kasi parang 3 max uses per day, ako kasi nag-expire ako dati. So, need na siya ng higher subscription. So, kalimutan ko na how much siya. But I usually use this one. So, I use TikTok. Once I log in, wow, double ko nyo agad. So, I would go to, there's an effect here. Meron yung effect dito, this one, the teleprompter. Can you see that blue one?
Yes.
Alright. So, after that, lagay nyo lang yung script ninyo. Kunwari, yada, 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 ganyan. After mag-generate ni ChatGPT ng script, you just have to paste your script here, then press check doon. Tapos, you can already record. Ganyan. Para tuloy-tuloy yung sinasabi mo, ganon. Pag hirap kang mag-memorize. But still, there are many different hacks aside from this. So, let me just stop. Alright. So, there are different...
Paid yan, no?
Yung TikTok? No, it's free. The teleprompter is even free. Yeah. The teleprompter...
Pati yan, yung blue na
blue,
pinili mo? Free yan?
Meron siyang free na parang, kalimutan ko na, pero parang nakaka 3 per day yata yung limit niya. So, kung once a day ka lang naman gagamit, ganon.
Na pwede.
Oo, pwede magamit.
Pero you
no?
test it out kasi parang minsan nagkaka-update. I'm not sure na kasi TikTok na ako eh. Kasi my filter. Wow.
So based on
Sa mga lalaki.
meron yan. Meron siyang feature na ganun.
Yeah, teleprompter. You just have to search the effects na teleprompter.
Effect siya. Okay, sige.
Yeah. Kasi parang napansin ko din sa content ni Ate Maika, sometimes there are times na hindi complete yung thought ng message. Parang cut siya. So, mas okay na full and nabigay yung buong context. Ganon.
Oo, kasi di parang impromptu kasi yun. So, it's
Diba?
very difficult to remember.
So, yeah. Always make sure na na-prepare nyo na yung script ninyo kay ChatGPT.
Hindi kasi nakapunta si Micah kanina.
Yeah.
Ano kanina? Kang Ben?
Anyways. Ano yung hawak mo ang big...
Ay, okay.
Anyways. So there are other hacks aside from using a teleprompter. So, one thing is using... Saan nga ba yung aking props dito?
Board.
Kung gagamit ka ng sticky notes, kung medyo impromptu ka na ganun, kaya mo nang mag-mind map ng
Manila
ng
Paint.
memorization, ganun. Yung may telekinesis, ganun. So, kunwari may sticky notes ka, tapos ka lang dun ng pointers. Ganun. And then you make a video kung medyo gamay mo na. Pero if you're hard on trying to memorize, you can use a teleprompter. Another thing is, eto na yung natatawag kong parrot method. So, dito magaling mag-parrot. What does a parrot do?
Manggaya.
Manggaya. Alright. So, kung kunwari ikaw, nasa bahay ka, tapos may kasama ka naman sa bahay na pwede mong gawing partner in crime, ganyan, is, kunwari, parang, alam mo yun, hindi mo alam yung script. Ganyan. Kasi kung minsan, pag gumagamit ka ng teleprompter, it can sound a little monotonous kapag hindi mo nabibigyan ng hustong emotion. Pero kapag meron kang ka-parrot body, the parrot method is, kunwari, yung friend mo, you have a friend there sa bahay ninyo. Or, lumabas kayo nag-coffee shop, you have a friend. Tapos sabihin mo, ibigay mo sa kanya yung script, basahin mo nga ito per line, na sa tingin mo kaya ko. So, kunwari, the script says na, so alam kong mahirap kang mag-memorize ng script. Ganyan. Tapos, ang gagawin mo, gagayahin mo. Pero ang mangyayari while you are recording is pause and play. So, kunwari, sinabi niya, so alam kong mahirap mag-memorize ng script, no? Oh. Tapos gagayahin mo. Ayan. Wow, may jowa. Sana all.
Yes.
Anyway. Ganyan. Pero ano din, may pros and cons ang parrot method kasi pros is mabibigyan mo ng emotion lalo kung magaling mag-set ng emotion yung ka-parrot body mo. Pero ang cons naman, kung nabubulol yung ano mo, tapos napagbabaliktad niya yung words, yung ka-parrot body mo. So, choose your parrot body well. Kasi baka mamaya gawin niyang ano eh. Gawin nating tao yung trabaho. Imbis na gawan ang tao ng trabaho. Ganon. So, kung minsan, hahanap din kayo ng medyo matino, maging parrot body, ha? Ganyan. So, mas okay to if may physical para, yun nga, maset niya yung tone, ganon. And of course, still the best way to do this is internalize first the script before you deliver. Kasi kung hindi mo alam kung saan ka babanat na, kunwari medyo magbe-break yung voice mo kasi medyo masakit pala. Kung kailan medyo mag-emphasize ka na, eto kasi yun. Parang ganon. Then, alam mo kung saan ka babanat. Pero kapag, tawag na dito, kapag ka teleprompter or may ka-parrot body ka tapos hindi mo lang din na-internalize yung script, sometimes di siya nagre-result ng okay. Ganon. Pero try and try until you succeed. Ganon. Another way is, eto na. Ano nga ba yung another way? Yung ginagawa ko is that I, pause and play. Ito yung kung medyo baguhan ka pa lang na gusto mo naka-print or gusto mo andito sa cellphone mo yung script tapos andito yung other device. Wow, mayaman. Dalawang iPhone. Dalawang iPhone. Yung isa nagre-record, yung isa nasa script. So ako kasi dati, I have an Android phone and I have my iPhone noon. No. Ano pa? So, ayan. So, meron yun. So, pause and play ako. After kasi hindi ko pa na-discover ang teleprompter before. So, these are my humble beginnings. Andito sa Android phone ko yung script, then andito yung pang-record ko, pause and play ako. After I say a line, pause, basahin ulit, okay, play. Pause, play. Ganon. So, ganon lang din talaga na nakasanayan na lang din siya. So, but still the best way is to have your script ready. Kasi kung minsan sa impromptu, ang cons lang nun, pros nun, tuloy-tuloy ka nagsalita. Pero minsan, naliligaw-ligaw. Pag na-preset na siya na script, at least gets, parang may isang direksyon yung sinasabi mo. Ganon. Hindi malilito yung audience na baka meron silang unanswered questions kasi minsan kapag impromptu. Right. So, eto na nga. Alam kong tamad kang mag-edit. 'Di ba? So, usually 5 hours for a 2 to 3 minute video. Yun yung sa akin, ha? Pero I think since bumilis na ako ng bumilis sa kaka-edit ko, nag 3 hours na ako, nag 2 hours na ako, nag 1 hour na ako. Pero, that is because I took the long route kasi hindi ko afford ang CapCut Pro noon. Ganun po ako kahampas lupa. Ganun. Anyway. So, ayun. Ngayon, yung hack na ituturo ko sa inyo is, this is for CapCut Pro. So, CapCut Pro, I think the first month, they would offer it for like 2. Hindi, wag kayo mag-standard ha, Pro dapat. Basta $499 per month yung regular. Pero pag annual, katulad nung sabi ni Kuya Errol, that's 3K. So annual na yon. Pero kapag mag-monthly kayo, that's like 499. Pero may pagbago ka lang, I think they have a lower offer. Nakalimutan ko na yung, pero parang nagto 200 for 3 months ako that time. So, here is the CapCut. Wait. Wow, kailangan magpahipas. Ang galing naman ng mga. Paturo nga ng hack. Sandali. Wait. Let me share my CapCut too. Ayan. Share. Alright. So, wala kasi ako makitang video kung in-edit ko dito anyway. So, ayan. If you create your own, go lang. Ayan. So, ito yung magiging interface ni CapCut if you're going to use it. So, import lang kayo ng video. So, for example, for me, I have this conference, tapos naglagay ako, and then Control++ para medyo mas humaba siya. Tapos, yan. Pwede ka nang maglagay ng B-roll. If you want to put a B-roll, you just put import, tapos hanap ka, kunwari ito. Tapos, lagay mo lang dyan sa top. Ganon. Tapos, adjust mo. And here's the editing technique that I use to create yung mga parang may
Hindi visible.
Ay, hindi ba? Ay, ba't ganun?
Parang naka-tab na siya. Kasi yung CapCut is yung dashboard. Then if you will create a project, new tab na siya. It's better to share your screen.
Full screen. Alright,
full
alright.
screen.
Ang galing.
Ang galing.
Ay, wala tayo sa Discord.
Discord ba yun?
Para tayo sa
Okay
Bigyan
lang,
ng jacket.
kayo lang din naman ang manonood
Jimet
nito.
na lang to, no? Akala namin
Hampasin ng upuan yan.
Bigyan ng
Share.
jacket.
Alright. Yusumas.
Ang galing kang kupal ka.
Alright. So, back to the binigning. So, ayun na nga.
Ayun, nakikita na namin lahat.
So, kunwari nakita mo ang iyong kagandahan. Charing, CapCut na parang very unfamiliar interface for you if you're new to video editing. Ayan. Kasi wala ka ding budget. Charing! So anyway, then import ka lang ng video mo. So open. And then this like a video of me. Kaninang morning lang na naubos ang brain cells ko. Oo.
So that's why.
Ayan. Tapos, ito yung A-roll. This is the main video. And then, I would also import like a B-roll. Kunwari gusto ko maglagay ng mukha kong ewan. Kunwari ito. Ayan. Open. Tapos, lagay ko lahat dyan. Mas mabilis kapag So, yung ituturo ko dito would be more of paano mas magiging mapapabilis yung editing mo if there is a dead air. Although usually kasi dito, naka-mic kasi ako dito. So, may ba akong video na baka iba ang ma-upload natin eh. Kunwari ito na lang. Ay, open. Ito kasi wala akong Ay, iba naman. So, kunwari, ayan. So, dito sa video ko na to, wow. Play na nga lang natin, ba? So, dito, meron nakikita ninyo dito yung mga ganito. Wait, let me highlight that. Yung parang mga ganyan, that are the spaces, the dead air. Yung masyadong mababa yung like audio level, that means that's the dead air. So, how do you make it easier? If naka-CapCut Pro ka, you can go to captions. So, ito yung captions at the top dito sa jar. Tapos, you would tap on identify filler words. And then, pwede kang hanap dyan ng templates that you could use. Ganyan, kunwari itong napili ko. And then, generate captions. Ayan.
Ayun.
So, after niyang mag-generate ng captions, meron dito yung option that you could delete the clips na may dead air. Or, meron kang long pause. Kasi di ba yung sabi ko sa inyo is, pwede kayo mag-pause and play while you are doing the recording. Especially if you're having a parrot body at teleprompter na medyo mabagal yung teleprompter mag gumalaw. Ganyan. So, after nyan, wait.
So si CapCut na magdi-delete nun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ay, wait. Asan na yung aking, parang natanggal ko yata yung setting na yun.
Tsaka kanina pala na-discover ko, may talking head din pala dito sa CapCut.
Yeah, meron.
Oh, nagulat ako.
is FMA. It's actually one of the most life-changing.
So, ayan na. Now, let's go to audio. Bakit nga ba may pagka-melancholic yung ko? Focus on the message that I'm trying to say.
FMA changed my life. I'll tell you.
So, the reason why I chose the song has a reason. Why? Because parang gusto ko siyang maging flashback kind of way. So, depende kung paano yung gusto mong gawin sa message mo. Ganon. So, for example, you're creating a video for for a client, hindi na client, for client. You're targeting business owners, international clients. And then, ang gusto mong ma-feel nila is, so basically, the music, the audio that you put inside your video, that is sometimes the soul of the video. It gives extra emotion to your video. Kasi kung wala siyang emosyon, wala siyang music, sometimes it's kind of boring, pero for other creators, it works kapag walang audio, especially if hindi naman maingay yung paligid, ganyan. Pero the soul of the video is sometimes in the music, background music. And you have to make sure na kapag pupunta kayo sa audio, meron siyang audio right here to that top left. And then you're gonna always choose instrumental. Ganyan. Kunwari, your favorite song na instrumental. Then pili ka kung violin, guitar, or whatever. Basta instrumental. Kasi kapag yung napili mong song is kumakanta, yung may lyrics, like, yung pinili mo is, kunwari Taylor Swift tayo. Ganyan. So, mga Swifties dyan. Ganon. Kunwari, pag yan yung nilagay mo, na,
All I can see is FMA is actually
tagal naman ng intro. Gano'n mo kasaya? Oh, kapag kumakanta yung background music mo, tas nagsasalita ka, nag-aagawan. So, you have to make sure that you don't use a music that has yung may kumakanta. It has to be an instrumental. Bakit? So, ang magandang mga pang-instrumental would be piano music instrumental. So, music background, ganon. If you're doing something like an inspiring, ganyan, inspiring kind of vibe, ganon yung gusto mong gawin sa story mo. Because sometimes, di ba, in sales, what sells? A story. So, sometimes you don't always have to hard sell that I create this, I do this, but they are more engaged when they see inspirational, valuable. Ganon. So go Kuya Errol. What's your question?
So safe na yung mga yan, yung mga copyright niyan, safe na, pwede na i-play sa mga Facebook, sa TikTok, gano'n?
Kapag instrumental, I think it's safe. Kapag instrumental, kasi medyo may remix na siya. Pero
Okay.
kapag yung may kumakanta, yun yung nadedetect ni
Meta.
minsan. Yeah. And make sure din kasi na kapag naglagay kayo ng background music, it's only like 20% yung kapag sa phone to, may nakalagay doon na 20%. Pero if it's from dapat mababa lang siya. Kapag sa phone, dapat 4 lang yung volume niya. Bakit? Kasi dapat hindi pwedeng sapawan ng music yung sinasabi mo. Pang-enhance yung music, panglagay ng emosyon, pero dapat hindi niya sinasapawan yung sinasabi mo. So, yeah, usually I set it to 20. Ganyan.
FMA changed my life. I'll tell you why.
Ay, wait lang. So, ito kasi may music na. Nakakainis. Charing. Anyway, so, ayun nga. Just set it to 20 para hindi nag-aagaw yung sinasabi mo and the background music. Kasi kung minsan, nagkakamali tayo sa lakas ng background music. So, parang ito yung isa sa mga earlier errors ko dati. Mali na yan. Anyway. Ay, tama ba to? Mali. Ayan. Ay, mali pa din. Oo. Alright. So, manood tayo ng ilang videos ni Darna. Oo, hindi ko alam kung anong pinagagawa ko dati, ba? Wala na tayong internet. Sorry. DICT, baka naman. Sorry. So, yung earlier.
Aray mo.
Yung sumusuntok.
Ang galing.
Ito. Ito yung medyo heavy pa ako mag-edit dati.
Do you want to win in life? You have to forgive first these poor people. Number 1.
So you see here, ang mistake ko dito, parang minsan mas malakas talaga yung video, ay yung music, than whatever I'm saying. So hindi clear yung sinasabi ko.
The old version of you. Yung ikaw na hindi pa masyadong marunong, yung taong nagkamali. At ikaw na nagtiwala sa
So you see here, dito ko ginamit yung mga B-rolls that I got from Pexels, ganyan. And also generated from Gemini, kasi pwede ka ding magpagawa ng AI-generated video. Pero usually, kapag magpapagawa kay Gemini, 3 to 5 seconds lang. And before nyo siya i-paste kay Gemini, especially if you're using the free version, para sa mga hampas lupang katulad ka, gawa muna kayo sa ChatGPT ng prompt that you're going to feed to Gemini. Ganyan. Para, less subscriptions kasi naghihirap ang mamamayang Filipino. Wow. Pero kung sagot naman ni client, why not? Sana all.
maling tao. At baka nga, sinisisi mo pa rin yung sarili mo kung
So dito, nag-transition ako ng music. So, medyo advanced, pero depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo ding gayahin in the future. Kasi parang, I transitioned from one idea, then I transitioned to another. Kaya, nag-iba din yung music. Ganon. Kasi di ba parang inspiring yung una, gusto mong mabuhay, gusto mong manalo sa buhay. Tapos ngayon, tinransition ko siya na, kung bakit sinisisi mo yung sarili mo. Parang medyo masakit, masalimuot, parang ganon. Ayan. Sa'yo ng bato.
bakit ganito yung buhay mo eh.
Ayan.
Because of those past decisions you had. It's your case.
Ayan. So, emotional pa si Darna ninyo dati, diba? Oy. So, yeah, these are the 30-second videos din na Ito naman, ito, yung interview style, kaso personal naman to. In person. This one, wait. May nagtanong sa akin.
Sa depression.
Yan.
Ang
Tapos,
masasabi ko
ito yung
lang, if you go
sagot
through those
ko.
things, let yourself be crushed. Hayaan mo yung
Ayan, mga na to. Ito naman, na-learn ko lang din sa TikTok. So, search na lang din kayo sa TikTok para gawin yan. Hindi ko na ituturo kasi baka ma-overwhelm kayo, ganon. Ayoko naman. I want to make it simple. I want you to understand that the reason why I made this text overlay is because I want to emphasize a point. Bakit? Ba't yung ang comment ko is, anong masasabi mo about sa depression? I would say, let yourself be crushed. And then, ito yung other context.
yung sarili mo na madurog. Kasi kapag nadurog ka na from that, alam mo paano buuin yung sarili mo. And there's one thing that I've also read about The Seat of the Soul by Gargo. Ang natutunan ko talaga doon is, bakit nga ba
So, makita nyo din dito, yung mistake ko din is the music pa din. Mas malakas siya kaysa sa sinasabi ko.
yung grapes, diba? Kumaga, nagiging valuable siya after it has become wine. So, nangyari kasi doon, grapes are one of the things na created, meant to be crushed para maging mas valuable.
Alright, so, now you get the context na, di ba parang medyo apathetic naman ng person na to na, anong masasabi mo sa depression? Di hayaan mo sarili mong madurog. Parang gano'n. Pero I had to make a further context na it's like grapes. na kapag kinrush mo yung grapes na yon, it becomes wine and it becomes more valuable. Katulad mo, kapag nadurog ka with a lot of circumstances in life, and then after that, bumangon ka, you became stronger. Diba? So, yeah. Anyway, let's go back to the presentation. Meron ba kayong questions? Hindi ko alam, parang nauubos na yata yung brain cells.
Ako, may
Ako,
question ako.
meron akong question.
Go!
Tinanong ko to sa chat, hindi ko pa yata na-try or hindi ko na-explore paano i-change yung color nung, 'di ba, sa may auto-generated na CC. 'Di ba, kung saang word ka, nandun yung color, yung background color. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-change yung color nun. Wait,
Anong color?
nagigets mo ba
CapCut
ako?
ba?
Kasi dilaw
Dilaw
yung
yata
kanina.
yung alam ko or like yung iba, color
Yung nasa
violet,
caption mo daw.
ganun.
May
Dito sa
may
CapCut?
contact yun. Doon sa may
Need talaga yan.
Yung caption mo daw kanina, di ba?
May templates yun, yung mga caption ba?
Ayan po, ang
template.
alam ko templates meron. Pero bawal na po bang i-change yung color doon?
Pwede.
You can change
Depende.
it.
Depende
Paano?
kung nakapro ka.
I'm gonna show you how it happens. Even
Pag
on
free,
free
syempre,
version,
chireret.
even on free version, you could also change the color. So, andito lang siya if you're on a computer or a laptop. Andito siya sa right. Nakikita mo dito sa right natin. I see here a color. Pwede mong palitan red. Di ginawa mong red yung text. Ganun. Actually, diba? So, red na siya. Nakikita niyo to? Red na siya. Palitan natin ng... Ayan ba?
Hindi yan. Yung kung nasang word, di ba meron yun? Kung nasang word ka na, yun yung merong
template
background.
na ginamit mo
Ah,
kanina.
Highlights.
Oo.
May na-highlight siya na specific words pag nagsasabi.
this one. Yes, you
Ayan.
can change it. You can change it, of course.
Paano palitan yung color yellow?
Alright,
Pasi nga,
let's
pasi.
have a different...
Sana yan sa second session natin.
Wow.
Hindi. Ang fun
Gusto
kasi
niyo
yun,
yata akong
Tinatagal ko
pahirapan na.
may iba-iba kasi yung template.
Dapat may execution.
Pag gumamit ka kasi ng template na caption, yung yellow,
Kunwari
hindi mo na
ito.
siya mapapalitan.
Assignment so, for example,
May
Yung
assignment
mga tito sa
ID.
Manila.
Wait lang, merong nagsasalita guys. Pag gumamit daw ng template, hindi na pwedeng palitan. So,
Oo.
paano pag hindi template yung gamit? Paano mangyayari yung
Kung gusto mo
Naka-
palitan yung yung mismong word by word or sentence per sentence, gagawin mo siya manually. Palitan mo lang yung font.
pangit? Bakit pag manual? Wala
Ipopost
nang
mo lang
ibang
siya
way.
kung saan yung papalitan,
Oo.
parang ganun.
Hindi,
Oo.
kunwari ito. Nasaan ba yun? Hindi. For me, nakakaya kong palitan yung, kunwari ito, yellow. Nilagay ko dyan.
Lagyan mo
O,
sa system.
kunwari, nilagay ko. Then after that, ito, dito sa pinaka-right, you can just change it
Yun.
to, blue. O,
Yan.
tapos, green, tapos red.
Galing ni
Yeah. I
Okay,
see.
yun pala yun. Thank you, Be.
Bro,
Anyway.
hampasin na
Ayan.
Rorot.
Video coach na tayo.
Dito tayo sa madugo sa utak na Google Veo 3.
BU,
So,
solid din.
for Veo, dito naman, kasi kung minsan, even if you search on Pexels, you or have Gemini create a video, sometimes it does not, hindi maganda yung So, occasional ko lang ginagamit tong Google Veo 3, but I love, pero ito yung naging foundation ko when I do script and prompting my ChatGPT pag gusto kong gumawa siya ng prompt na isa-send ko kay Gemini or to Google Veo 3. So, script, shot list. Ayan. Yung shot list kasi, parang sasabihin niya sa'yo kung ano yung, sasabihin mo, parang ganon. And the graphics that could be shown. Parang nabivisualize mo kung ano yung magiging result ng video mo after. Ganon. And then, generate. Ayan, generate. Ayan. So, eto. Oh, dami na, di ba? Ayan. So, sumakit din sana ang ulo nyo. So, first thing that you have to consider in creating your script is the subject. Be very specific na instead na sabihin mo yung a man lang, you could just say, a rugged fisherman with windburned skin and a gray beard. So, magagaling na kayo sa prompting. Alam nyo na yan. Picturean nyo na lang. Ganun. Send ko lang din naman sa inyo to. Pagod na yung brain cells ko. Sorry. So, ayun, just give the context. Be very specific. What's the action that you're doing? The style, yung visual aesthetic that you are showing. Like, ano bang gusto mo doon? Is it going to be cinematic? Is it going to be inspirational na parang medyo glowing ka, ganon? Yeah. And sound, ganyan. Usually, hindi magaling magbigay ng suggestion for sound si ChatGPT. Pero kung ngarag ka, tas wala kang idea, pwede ding sundan mo na lang yung music na ni-recommend niya. And then, the dialogue, ganyan. Kung paano mo siya sabihin. Ito yung important part. Kasi kung minsan, pag binasa mo yung script, you don't know how to give emotion to it. So, anong free? Hindi ko nakikita yung comments ko eh.
Si Beo.
I-recruit ko
Beo?
sila. I-recruit ko lang muna si Impostora. Sandali, guys.
May free din si Beo eh. Beo mo yun? Ang galing.
Si Vio, meron siyang free. Pero like, how many months? Ayan. Meron na ulit si Impostora. Ayan. Para makita ko yung inyong mga in-call messages. Ayan. Yung Impostora, yung other account ko sa Gmail. Anyway, so camera movement. Ito, di pa naman masyadong kailangan. Pero when you're already creating content, di ba nakikita niyo yun? If you're watching Lance Reels, ganyan, or any, and maybe local or international, di ba papalit-palit sila ng angulo? Ganyan. Kasi, it adds retention na kapag nakastay ka lang sa one place, parang stationary lang, it gets too boring sometimes. Wala na silang paki sa sinasabi mo. Minsan. Ganon. So, you have to add an art to it, which is yung camera movement na. Kumari, ganito muna yung cellphone mo for today. Ganyan. It's in front of your face. And then later, parang, alam mo yun, yung parang may pagka-transition na ganon. Yung parang dumadar. Ayan. So, sabi ni Ate Shay, maganda daw yung Veo 3, malinaw yung output niya. So, yan. Anyway, so yan, sa camera angle, ayan, is to switch nyo lang yung angle and also your background. Punta ka sa labas, libutin mo yung buong bahay ninyo, ganyan. Punta ka sa, other, parang, makikita mo na medyo may transition yung background, ganyan. And then the do's and don'ts. Be very specific, every detail, ganyan. So, just don't be vague when you're prompting. Ganon. And sa advanced tools naman, ganyan. The lens and focus effect, style references, technical tips. So, yan yung mga kailangang sabihin, if ever. If you want to say, if you want to generate kay Veo 3 ng something more detailed. Yan. So, 3 hacks for better Veo outputs is you have to be very specific. Instead of saying a freelancer working, you could try a young Filipino freelancer in a small home office typing quickly on a laptop while checking a client message on her phone. So don't be vague. You know. And then use references like keep the character, product, outfit. So, kung ayaw mong ma-frustrate sa katulad ko lagi ako na-frustrate kay ChatGPT or Gemini kapag hindi niya nakukuha yung mukha ko, ganun. You have to really, magagaling na kayo sa prompt. Ako na lang, share ninyo, ganun. So, di ba, lagi nag-aaway. And then direct the camera. So, yan, close up, wide shot, over the shoulder, tracking shots, slow push in, bird's eye view. Mga ganong shots na, you could do. Ganyan. So, don't forget also the audio. Ayan. So, yung sound, yung dialogue, ayan. Hindi ko na alam itong continuity. Sorry, pinagawa ko lang to kay Claude.
Pwede bang mag-comment doon sa ChatGPT na picture?
Saan?
Kasi may bagong feature kahapon ko na nalaman. Pag nag-print ka gumawa ka ng image kay ChatGPT, may parang plug-in na Canva. Pwede mo na edit kagad kay Canva.
Oo. That's interesting. Okay, noted. May nakuha na tayo kay Papa Errol.
Ginawa kanina ni Joyce. Yun nga, effective
Ano yan,
na.
ano yan?
Canva sa ChatGPT.
Oo, pagkagawa mo sa ChatGPT, may plug-in na ilalagay yung
Plugin.
install mo yung plug-in ng Canva mismo sa ChatGPT. Pwede mo na siyang edit mismo dun. Pupunta kayo sa Canva. Yung generate mo sa ChatGPT, magagawa mo na sa
Even
Canva.
sa Claude daw. Pwede din. May plugin si Canva.
Doon sa ChatGPT. Share ko yung video sa inyo mamaya.
Alright. Yan. So, let's go back. So, yeah, si Papa Errol na yan. Mamaya magpapaano siya sa Discord.
Wow. Si
Ano
Micah yun.
Ayan. So, let's go back. It's the simple content workflow. So, ito na yung medyo important part because this is crucial for you kung kinakam up mo yung idea na gusto mong ituro, gusto mong i-share the value that you want to share to people. First, the idea. What do I want to teach? Ano yung gusto kong ipahatid sa audience ko? You always have to ask yourself, is this really valuable for them? Do they need this? So back it up with research. Yung mga FAQs nila, frequently asked questions, about their business, if you could help them. And then create the script, ask ChatGPT to structure the message, ganyan. And then, of course, do human intervention na kapag sa tingin mo, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng insight na, pwede kong kapag sinabi ko tong linya na to, aangasan ko, parang gano'n. Pag sinabi ko tong linya na to, medyo magsasabi ako ng side comment na, parang ako yun. Parang
Ang galing.
So, yeah. Naglagay kayo ng human intervention because you always have, dun nga sa libro na nasabi ko kanina, Contagious, Why Things Catch On, doon talaga na-discuss that it's all about relatability. Actually, mas nagkakaroon ng relatability when you do, di ba? Side comments, ganyan. Di ba nagba-viral yung mga yung parang mga ganun. So, when they feel relatable, that parang sometimes you also doubt, kunwari sabi mo, gusto mo bang manalo sa life? Pero ako hindi pa naman ako panalo, parang gano'n. So parang when you do those, there's human. You always have to put human touch to things, especially content creation. So it's always an art. So yan, shot list, pwede ka mag-ask kay ChatGPT para hindi ka maghalughog sa utak mo ano yung gagamitin mong B-rolls. Ayan. I think, wala. Meron ba akong pinagawa nung last? B-roll. Search tayo kung meron akong pinagawa dati. So, makikita dito kung wala. Anyway, sige, wag na muna. Anyway, ayan. So, mali. Ayan. So, yan, shot list, and then Veo 3.1, generate the shots you can easily or find. So, kunwari, first attempt mo sa Pexels, hindi mo nakita doon yung gusto mong scene, or impossible for you to create your own B-roll, then, gawa ka na sa Veo 3. Yun nga. And then, edit, combine talking head plus B-roll plus captions plus audio and CapCut. So, yeah, visualize your script. Make sure na gawan mo siya ng human touch. Next one, ayan, paano na to gawin with Veo 3, yung prompting, and everything. So, review and refine, maging satisfied ka. Then, tsaka mo na i-download yung result na gusto mo kay Veo 3. After that, so hindi na ako masyadong makapag-example kasi I don't usually use Veo 3. But, nung ginamit ko siya before, it's really good. Example is, yeah, yung sample prompt is a young Filipino business owner wearing smart casual clothes and yada yada yada. Build your own prompt using the same structure. Ganyan. So, yeah, I'll also send this presentation to you para hindi tayo magtagal. So, also, another way to get your B-rolls if hindi mo talaga siya mahanap at kung saan ang mga emotional and kung saan din yung mga taong OA, ganon, to give, ano. So, you could also use TikTok as your B-roll library, pero make sure minimal lang. And always ask the permission sa ano, always ask permission from the owner if you could use their video, or make sure to see if it is under ng fair use. Yan. Yung usage rights, ganyan. If that video can be used for public use, parang ganon. So, kung minsan nagiging red flag lang siya if yun nga, ginamit mo siya for commercial, yung B-roll na hindi naman sa'yo and wala sa fair use and public content kinamera root. Anyway. So, yeah, sometimes the perfect B-roll is already on TikTok. Kasi kung minsan sa Pexels, kapag iStock kasi yan, kailangan mo magbayad. Pero sa TikTok, you could just get an B-roll from there. So, there, we get familiarity, entertainment, visual storytelling. Ayun. So, one of my here is eto. Ay, ayoko talaga ipanood to, pero panoorin ba natin? Sorry, wag na. Baka ma-expose ako malalo. Mahalungkat pa yung DJ days. So, sige na nga lang. Panoorin nyo na nga lang. Microsoft Edge. Saan yung Edge? Naman. Parang nag-overtime tayo. Ay, 1 hour pa lang tayo. Ang dami ko nang dada. Na ako. Sorry. Sabi lang. Ayan. Doon tayo sa GHL Dorna. Ay, wow. Gusto ko Alex Hormozy lagi ang pupukad sa akin. Ayan. Follow nyo agad, guys. Well, so, ito yung video ko dyan. Ay, tama ba ito?
Mahal mo lang ako kapag masaya tayo. Yan ang sabi ni Donnie kay Belle.
Mahal mo lang ako pag masaya tayo. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Mo lang ako.
Goodbye. Exit. Expose na tayo.
Wala, di pa tapos. Ayak na
Ayan.
Ang tanong mo, ikaw yun?
Hindi, filtered version. Ayan. So, ang gusto ko lang naman ipakita doon.
Marketing strategy din yun, ha? Hindi ko tapusin.
I used courtesy of. Ayan. So, meron ako nakalagay dito sa pinakababa na medyo invisible is Don Bell Archives. So, yun yung pinagkuhanan ko ng video on TikTok. Ganyan. So, dito din sa another video ko. Hindi ko na ipapanood. Na-overexpose na ako. Basta yan, si Jollibee yan. Tapos ngayon, nakalagay doon, courtesy, Speaker, TikTok. Ganon. So, ganun ako maglagay ng courtesy off. Pero I always make sure na nag-ask ako ng permission sa owner. If mukha mismo nung tao na yun yung papakita mo kasi, medyo red flag yun. Pero kapag general video, like ito, si Jollibee naman to, kahit sa kanya yung video, parang fair use pa din siya kasi general concept naman si Jollibee, diba? So, ayun. Tapos itong nakalagay dito sa taas ko na B-roll, gusto niyang matuto paano magkanyan. Ito na lang yan. So, kunwari, yan. Ganire. Kuha ka ng, import ka ng, kunwari ito. Import ko yan. Yan. Tapos ngayon, gusto niyo ng medyo faded na effect, ganyan. So, pwede mo yung i-resize. Meron yung resize button dito na crop. After that, pwede mo siyang i-ganyan. Tapos, after you confirm, then you can choose here sa video yung mask. And then, add mask. Lagyan nyo ng arte-arte, circle, ganyan. Tapos, ganyan yung itsura niya. Parang ganon.
Okay.
Ganon. Yung mga faded kinemerut nila. So, yeah, let's go back. Ay, mali. Na-expose na naman tayo. Alright. Next, yan. The best B-rolls are still your own footage when you film your own B-rolls. So, eto makikita ninyo, own B-rolls ko yung ginamit ko dito. I did not get from Pexels. I did not generate from Veo 3. Kung medyo makapal-kapal naman na yung mukha ninyo, ganun. Or yung mga behind the scene ninyo, yun yung mga pwede ninyong ilagay dito. Ganon.
Sino kaya nagvi-video sa'yo dyan?
So, yeah. Ang tip ko lang sa inyo guys, for you to have many own B-rolls is just film everything. Everything is content. So, yung pagtimpla mo ng kape sa morning, pag-inom mo ng kape, paglabas mo ng door na may hawak na kape, everything is content. So, just parang kahit hindi mo man siya i-post kaagad, ipunin mo lang ng ipunin until sa you never know, you will use it pala for your B-rolls. Yeah. Pwede din. Why not? 'Di ba? Kunwari, pag sinabi mo dun sa, ano mo, yung content mo is about the well-being of freelancers, ganyan. Tapos, dapat malinis ka sa katawan, tapos pinakita mo yung B-roll mo na nagtutoothbrush ka. So, yeah, a day in the life, gano'n. Anyway, next. So, Gemini, ayan. So, yun na ngayon, sabi ko, kay ChatGPT muna kayo magpa-prompt, tapos space nyo kay Gemini kasi hampas lupa pa tayo, free muna, charing. Pero I think si Gemini nung naka ChatGPT Pro ako, parang naka Pro na din si Gemini. Magka-partner sila, 'di ba? Am I right? Am I wrong? Am I left or right? Tama ba? Uy. Wow. I know. Ay, hindi ba? Yes, no. Yes or no, no. Yes, no. Yes, yes, no. Pero parang I don't remember like getting into Gemini dati. Oh, I just woke up. So, ayan, behind the scenes content ideas, turn your everyday freelance work. Ganyan. Ito na yung sabi ni Kuya Errol. Yes, Ate Rizal. What's your question? Do you have or sige, lagay na lang sa comment section. Park your questions right there. So, behind the scenes, ayan, content ideas like, ayun nga, gumagawa ka ng client project, workspace. Di ba yung nakita niya naman yung content ni Bryce? Di ba? Parang nilalagay niya lang dyan yung ano. Kapag tumuro siya dyan sa ganyan, tsaka niya papakita yung screen niya na bumove. Ganon. So, you can see yung ano, yung kung paano din talaga ginagamit. Kung if you want to position yourself, yung branding mo as an expert sa industry, ganun yung gawin mo, parang yung kay Bryce, na yung behind the scene content ideas mo, yung mga behind the scenes, yung nakalagay lang yung camera dyan, tapos nag-work ka, tapos naka-time-lapse, ganun. When you're creating a project, malapit yung phone mo nasa harap ng screen mo, ganun. Ayun, and then, if you're, kunwari, nasa call ka with a client, gano'n, di ba yun usually yung mga gustong-gusto ng tao, especially, depende siya sa targeting mo. Kasi I think iba-iba din tayo ng target, so I can only say general things. So, yan, like example, may video ka na, yan, nag-work ka. Yan. Tapos, ang gagawin mo na, kunwari, today, sa araw na to, ayaw mong gumawa ng serious content kasi you don't feel like it. So, eto muna. Meron tayong, konting tip. Ganon. So, impromptu to ha. So, meron tayong tinatawag na ABC principle. So, etong ABC, wow, hello ma. Kita ka. Anyway,
Hello
so meron tayong hindi kayo rinig na kayo.
Mayong gabi, ma'am.
So meron tayong tinatawag na ABC principle when it comes to consistency. So I wanted to really emphasize this din kasi hindi naman everyday, 'di ba? Parang consistent ka mag-content. May mga time na you don't feel like it. Like tamad muna ako sa araw na to kasi pagod na pagod ako. Ganun. May mga ganong times. And life happens, emergency happens. That's why we have this ABC principle. So let's break it down. Break it down, yo. So A, B, and C. A is when you feel like you're in your best peak performance ka. You want to create like super inspired ka, ganyan. You can create 10 videos na kahit tigta 3-minute videos yun. Tuloy-tuloy ka. That is when you are at your best. B is when it's just a normal day, pero non-negotiable mo gumawa ng 2 to 3 reels, ganyan. And then C is when this is for the shitty days. When the days na, ayoko gumawa ng content. Alam mo yun, parang super ayaw na ayaw mo talaga. Ganon. So, this is when you don't feel like it. So, merong isang principle na pinakita sa akin about consistency. That is about a row of cups. 7 cups yan. And then, dalawang comparison yun. People think that consistency is, kunwari, 7 glasses of water, meaning 7 days. Looks like even even lahat yung level ng water on each day. But what consistency actually is paiba-iba yung level ng water per day. But the thing is, there is still water. So, ang ABC principle lang na to sa content creation is you just always post. Even when the days you don't feel like it, even when life happens to you, even when, tawag na dito, alam mo yun, parang, para mas ma-visualize ninyo, A is when you go to the gym, 3 hours ka doon, kayang-kaya, ganyan. B is when it's just a normal day, it's my non-negotiable to go to the gym for 1 hour. And C is when you feel so shitty, ayaw mong pumunta ng gym. So you do the minimum. Yung at least gawin mo lang na kahit konting-konti. That is when you do a 20-minute walk. So yung resistance, it's always a constant battle to always fight through resistance, especially kung tuloy-tuloy kang gagawa ng content. Kasi I tell you, it's a long game. Right? So, pag tumamang daliri mo sa kanto ng kama, tuloy na. Anyway, so, ayun. How to make content more entertaining and valuable? Yeah. You have to combine your personality. Kung funny personality ka, go. Oh, si Kuya Errol kung medyo may
Alin?
may yo, parang ganon. Ilabas mo yung personality mo, ganon. Kasi, or if you're kind of strict, ganyan, or medyo funny ka, diba, ganon. Pakita mo lang kung sino ka, diba? Ganon. Anyway, so ayan, may iba-ibang hooks, visual hooks, verbal hooks, movement, text hooks, pattern interrupts, curiosity-driven. Hindi ko na ito masyadong tuturo kasi nil-learn ko lang din lahat to. I just saw this on social media. But, of course, we have to know na the first 3 to 6 seconds are very important. Ganon. So, anong gagawin mo sa first 3 to 6 seconds? So, you could do a visual hook. Yung isa sa mga simple visual hooks ni RTDs, kunwari nakatayo ka, tapos bigla kang uupo sa gaming chair mo like that. So, or pattern interrupts, parang gano'n na. May sasabihin ka, tapos babawiin mo, parang gano'n. Mga reverse reverse psychology ba yun? Gano'n. Text hooks, movement, verbal hooks. Kunwari, bigla kang sumigaw. Like that. And for speaking and making it more engaging, kasi you have to train your communication skills, you could use and watch Vingang. And para din nga sa mga hindi pa ganun ka-confident gumawa ng videos, I actually have a previous, although sa FMA to, sa accountability group namin, for beginners to sa mga ayaw mag-content kasi maraming limiting beliefs, dito ko yon parang diniscuss. What are your fears?
Nakatiras.
What are the pro advice? So that
You get to
when you're aware of your problem, you know how to, kung aware ka, diba? Alam mo na kung paano solusyonan. Ganon. And there's always psychology behind it, that when you know the solution, there's no way you cannot unsee it. Alright. Questions. Garabels. Sakit mo ng ulo ka. Ulang.
Ria, question. Sa kanina natanong ko to pero baka hindi mo napansin. Na-try mo na yung AI tool sa CapCut. Have you ever tried it? Kasi na-try namin ni Josh and it's really a pain in the ass. Maganda ba siya
Saan?
incorporate sa sa video natin sa CapCut?
Anong
Yung AI niya sa dashboard. If you're going to
Itong AI avatar?
Yeah, AI avatar. Na-try mo na.
Huwag nyo kasing gamitin. Ang pangit.
Alam ko meron kang prompt or something. You already tried it
No.
before.
Kaya nga 'di ba gumagamit ako ng outside na Gemini, Veo 3 kasi hindi din naman kasi talaga pang pang AI yung ni
CapCut. Editing lang talaga siya. Karet. Yun lang.
Anong
Yun
mga
lang.
mga prompt sa Gemini?
Sa Gemini ate, yun din yung ko, parang use yung guide na na you have to be specific. Kasi mahirap mag-provide ng script pero hindi naman siguro kung may custom bot yung mga kasama natin dito for content creation yan. Pero yan, may ito, yung subjects, context, action, dialogue, ganyan. You have to i-feed mo muna siya kay ChatGPT then pagawa mo kay Gemini. Ayun. So, walang specific prompt for anything. It's always sometimes you really have to just get better in strategizing how to prompt. Ganon. Ayan. So, merong scenario yata dito si Kuya Richard. You are, ayan. May role siya, ganon. So, you have to tell ChatGPT yung role niya. Pero, wala ko minsan, inaaway ko lang kasi talaga si ChatGPT. Hindi ko alam kung paano lang din nagkakaroon na lang ng Basta I always use voice command kasi kay ChatGPT. Kahit Tagalog ako magsalita, basta gusto ko ganito. Ganon. Ano yung question mo, Ate Marge? And,
Ako hindi kasi talaga ako nagka-CapCut. Pero, halimbawa, yung inspo ko is, di ba, alam mo yung mga meme type na video. Isang example dito, alam niyo yung nagva-viral na yung dinosaur na cute yung roar, di ba? Halimbawa, gusto ko siyang kunin sa video ko. Saan ko hahanapin? Like, may library ba para sa mga ganong clips?
as I said
Wait, pero
here,
alam niyo yung sinasabi ko, di ba? Yung dinosaur na maglalakad, tapos like iba-iba yung sinasabi na parang
Tinatanong ni
rar,
Jaro, ano
ganon.
daw, Sand?
Ha?
Paano ulit yung roar ba?
Sample.
Dragon?
Sample daw, sample.
Wait lang, tulungan
Anong
niyo mo lang
sample?
mag-explain.
Ito na
Pero
po,
alam niyo ba doon? Alam nila
Ano yan? Yung parang pinapalitan yung roar?
Oo, yung mga ganon. Let's say,
Paano
kukunin ko
paano
yung
yan?
clip na yun.
Roar, tapos
Ay,
pinapalitan
nasa
yung boses. Yung
templates
boses ng
yan, be.
dinosaur.
Insert lang?
Templates. Kasi pa nga, hindi kasi
Dito
talaga
sa
ako
templates ng
nagka-CapCut.
CapCut, or you go to TikTok, tapos hanapin mo doon yung nagta-trending na yon. Tapos,
Download
Yeah.
video, ganon. Tapos,
Crop
mo
na lang.
import.
Gawa siya sa CapCut, makikita rin yun dyan.
Tiktan mo muna kung meron sa CapCut, kung nasi-search mo siya. Pero kung hindi mo siya pa rin makita, kasi yung TikTok tsaka CapCut, isa lang yung owner niyan, be. So, I think, if meron siya sa TikTok, meron din siya sa CapCut. You just have to know what that meme is. Kunwari, parang dinosaur or dragon meme. Ganon. So, yan, lalabas
Dinosaur.
siya.
Tagal na sample eh.
Ganyan.
Ayun o,
dalawang
yan.
sample.
Yan.
Ayan.
Yung second. Yung second.
Second, ito.
Yan.
Pero
sige nga, roar nga, roar.
reminded lang yung mga videos natin dapat na rin sa
So,
Roar!
branding
ito
niya pa.
nga, yung sa templates din. Ayan. So, sa templates, pinapabilis niya yung buhay ninyo kung tinatamad kayo mag-edit, pero kailangan nyo ng filler post, ganyan. Kuha lang kayo dyan, kunwari ito yung napili ko, tapos gusto ko i-replace ko yung isang clip ng kunwari ito, ganyan. Ilagay ko dun sa one clip, ayan. Ay, ba't mali na? Rosie. One clip to be replaced, tapos
Paano yun? I-ano mo lang. I-hide lang yung background
Hindi
mo.
natin sample yan, no? Ikaw pa rin, Darna.
Mm.
Yeah, replace. Tapos, kunwari, ito, gusto kong magpakain sa dinosaur, ganyan. Ko yun.
Pakain sa dinosaur.
Tapos, let's go from the binikning. So, yan, pag template, tapos ano, saan na yun? Oh, ganun yung
rar mo, Marge?
Yung iba nag-rar.
Pwede ka mag ano.
Nakakabitan yun ah.
Ano yung
Yeah,
rar mo,
meron.
Marge?
Ano, sinisipon na ngumungo ako next time.
Sample lang.
Basta hanap
Ginawa mo
kayo
na
sa
kanina.
template. Ano na, Kuya Benji? What's your questioner?
Yung sa akin, meron ba kayong nilalamang tools like mag-ano siya, kakat niya into clips yung long video?
Meron nun.
Sa CapCut mismo. Ang alam ko, meron dyan.
Upload natin
Long
yung
form
long
to
video,
short
tapos
form.
siya na yung magkakat.
Meron na yung kwan sa CapCut, yung edit.
Okay.
Basta mag-pro ka lang.
Alright.
Yung ano, yung ghost, paano
Yan
kaya
yung
yun?
problema ko sa buhay, guys. Salamat.
Ano naman, tips paano gamitin yung CapCut ni client pang sarili.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Sabihan mo siya.
Lagay mo sa invoice.
Tago mo sa folder.
Lagay mo sa invoice.
Hingi ako ng anong access mo. Rar.
Guys, palitan nyo yung password.
Ha? Ano?
Palitan nyo yung password, tapos tanggalan nyo ng access si client.
Tapos sabihin mo na hack.
Perfect! Perfect ka dun, kuya.
Tapos sabihin mo na hack, no? Di na mabuksan.
Uy,
Tapos
Pero
binabayaran
siguro
yung
gawin
ano
mong
na
annual.
subscription.
Oo, annual yung subscription.
recording, baka marinig kayo ng mga ano. Baka may mga bagong makarinig din.
Live ba to? Live? Hindi, sa Discord na lang natin na